Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can hide chat in Snapchat. So let's start the video. And the first thing you have to do is open Snapchat in your phone. Then go to the chat section and here you can see the first chat. If you want to hide this chat, tap on the profile icon of this chat. Now go to the three dots at the right upper corner. Now here you have to go to chat and notification settings. Now tap on clear from chat feed. Here it is notifying that this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. Simply tap on clear and now this chat is hidden from the chat feed. Now the question is how you can find that chat again. You can see the chat is hidden from the chat feed. To find this chat again, you have to go to the search bar and here search the chat name which you deleted recently. You can see the chat is saved and now you can avail all the saved messages and chats etc. from this chat, and this chat is again into the chats feed. So by this way you can easily hide chats in Snapchat and you can also unhide at the same time as well. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.